Oh, 1:37. That's a new record.
Yeah, how about that, huh?
It's great if you want to do it the easy way.
Easy way. Oh, yeah?
Fold me.
Alright, check this out.
Buck.
Ha! Chew on that.
Really?
Really.
Really?
Very really.
Is that the best you got?
That's pretty up there.
You were kind of upside down and your eyes were closed. Cry me a river.
Yeah.
Have you tried it telekinetically?
Oh, telekinetically. Hogwash, no one can do that.
Oh, really?
Yeah, really.
Really?
Yeah. Show me.
Scramble me.
It's pretty tremendous.
Because I am one with the cube.
Oh man, nobody can do better than that. Unless they solve the Rubik's Cube while drinking a glass of water.
Oh, easily. I'll even do it one-handed. Scramble the cube. Let's do this. There you go.
You didn't solve anything at all. You just used the magic of film to fake the ability to manipulate the Rubik's Cube. I'm disgusted. Let's go.
Cube on!